Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining us today on this talk about our program, Postgraduate Diploma in Endodontics. I'm Dr. Preena, your moderator for today. Today we have with us Dr. Shekhar Bhatia, who's the program director of our homegrown program. He will walk you through the details and the highlights of our program, Postgraduate Diploma in Endodontics, conducted in IMU. Over to you, Dr. Shekhar.
Okay, hello everyone. Thank you, Dr. Preena, for introducing. So I'll be going through this program, which is Postgraduate Diploma in Endodontics at IMU.
So what about the program, Dr. Shekhar? Can you give us some more details, please?
Okay, this program, as the name suggests, it's a diploma program, which is Diploma in Endodontics. So basically, we have two options. One is for the full-time students, which will go through 1 year. And then we have a part-time for which will go through 2 years. So basically, the main difference between 1 year and the 2-year program is all the activities still will be conducted in 1 year. But if somebody wants to take extra time to complete their clinical requirements, for those, you can opt for 2-year program. We do this program every year in April. Basically, about this program, if I say, it covers the knowledge acquisition through face-to-face and online lectures and case-based discussion. So we'll be having lectures, we'll be having case-based discussion, then we'll be having seminars, and then you'll be given a hands-on training environment in our simulation skill center, which is in IMU, and we have our own clinics at the ground floor, which is Oral Health Center. So as a student, you'll be going through a lot of hands-on training throughout this program.
Okay, and can you tell us why should the students take up endodontics at IMU?
Okay, so it's a good question. As you know, the endodontics in dentistry is so important, and there's so much of demand in endodontics. So basically in IMU, we have designed this program keeping in mind the people who are like general practitioners, or who wants a little flexible, who can actually continue studying this diploma program, and along with that they can still practice in their own practice. So keeping in that mind, we prepared this program so we are giving as a flexible learning option. This whole program will be delivered by our dental specialist so we have our dental specialists in IMU who are very experienced. They have an experience of more than 10 years. They are specialists in endodontics. Some of us are they're PhD holders. So you'll be learning through by the experts. Also, as you know, in endodontics, the role of microscope is so important. So throughout this program, students will be given dental microscopes. So from the day one, from the module 1, you will be actually starting working with microscope, and which will continue throughout all the modules. Plus, along with your simulation, you will be also using you can also use microscopes in our clinics, which is our Oral Health Center. Okay, coming to our another option in our program is basically you have an option of doing your clinical cases in either in your in your own practice or in IMU. Okay, so that's a very important and the flexible option. So if you have your own cases, you have a own practice, you want to do cases in your own practice, you can do it as long as you follow the guidelines and you discuss each and every case with your supervisor. This whole program is basically covers in your modules, as I mentioned before, which will be done under 2 semesters. So every semester will have 3 modules, which will run through 17 weeks each. So as I mentioned, in a year, you'll be having 17 weeks first semester, and then another 17 weeks, another semester, with a total of 30 credit hours, which will be delivered over a period of 1 year. So mean to say, if you have a 6 module, every module has a 5 credits, so total 30 credits. The duration of each module will be approximately 6 weeks, and which include the 1 week of compulsory, face-to-face, which you have to come. Every student has to come in IMU, where you will be doing all hands-on activity. So again, I'm saying 6-week program, 6 week, 6 week every module. First week of every module, you have to be in campus with us.
That sounds fantastic, Dr. Shekhar, and it gives great flexibility to the students. Can you talk me through the modules and what the students will be learning throughout the course?
Yeah, sure, Dr. Preena. So this program basically has 6 modules. If you go through each module, we start from basics. So our first module is fundamental science in endodontics, where you'll be learning about the basics in endodontics. Module 2 will be endodontics management of single rooted teeth, like your central incisor, lateral incisor, single rooted. Then coming to your module 3 will be endodontic management of multi-rooted teeth of moderate difficulties, like your premolars, your molars. And then coming to your rotary endodontics, where you'll be learning about all the different kinds of rotary systems. You'll be well versed with the different techniques. And then coming to module 5, where you'll be learning management of endodontic cases requiring a multidisciplinary approach. As you know, like endoperio cases, where you'll be learning in this module. Then in module 6, you'll be learning about failed cases. So management of failed endodontic cases in a single rooted teeth and endodontic mishaps. So if you see all the 6 modules, you're starting from your basics, and then as you reach to module 6, you're going to a little bit more advanced.
That seems like a very comprehensive course. What about the facilities, what IMU has to offer?
Okay, so as you know, in endodontics, today's century, we demand about the new technology and all that. So IMU will be providing you that. We have our own simulation center where you'll be given an opportunity to learn under the microscope. We have our clinics. Again, in our clinics, we have microscope as well as we have a CBCT machine. So the role of CBCT is so important in dentistry, especially even in endodontics. Plus all the advanced endodontic instruments like your ultrasonics, then your thermoplasticize, all this will be provided.
Okay, and how will the students be taking up the examination? How will they be assessed throughout the course?
Okay, so as I mentioned to you, this is a proper diploma program which is actually recognized by NQA. So we have to go through this assessment component. It's not like a simple workshop or a simple program. So as a student, when you enroll for this program, you have to go through all that stages. So you have to maintain your portfolio. Portfolio basically means is, as you will be doing your cases, you need to record your cases. So in this program, you have to do minimum 25 cases. Then you will be you have to do your case report submission. So this whole assessment, if you understand in a simple language, you have both the components. One is your formative component and one is the summative component. Formative component is important to go to a next level. So formative does not carry any marks, but it is important part to make you learn and to go to the next step. The summative component carries the marks, which carries a percentage, which will be counted as the whole program runs. And this whole individual percentage will be again calculated in your final examination, in your final marks. So case report, you'll be having 3 case report submission. You have to submit your first case report, like example in module 3, after your module 3, then your case report 2 after module 4, then case report 3 after module 5. Every case report carries 10%. Now this case report is a part of your portfolio. So mean to say, if you are doing 25 cases in total, you can choose your 3 best case reports from that and you can make your case report. Okay. So your case report won't be separate. It will be a part of your 25 cases. Also, you'll be assessed through your one best answer question, which is something similar to your MCQ. If you know about MCQ, which is a multiple choice question. So your one best answer is something similar, which will be assessed in module 3 and then later on in your final examination. Then also you'll be having a short answer question, which was again assessed in your mid, like after module 3 and then later in after module 6. Then you have to go through the written assignment. Like in different modules, you'll be given a topic. You'll be given a topic beforehand, and then you have to write about that topic and submit to your mentor, your supervisor, or the module coordinator. Then you will have an OSCE. OSCE is something like, you have to go through stations, and then which will be asked in your final examination.
Wow, the students, I think, will have a very comprehensive learning in this course, but I'm sure they would also have some queries like about the case requirements. Can they get their own cases or will IMU help them with the cases?
Yeah. Okay, so as I mentioned in this program, every student has to do 25 clinical cases. So IMU will definitely, we will all your supervisors, all your specialists, whoever is teaching you, they will definitely help you to give you cases. But IMU cannot promise you. So obviously, as a student, you also have to take a responsibility, and you have to be a little proactive. If you have your own practice, if you have own clinics, or you are doing some locum, or you are working as an associate in some clinic, you can get your cases, and you are most welcome to come to IMU and use and utilize the facilities. And you'll be given a supervisor, you will be given a dental surgery assistant, and you can do your cases in IMU. So basically mean to say, you have to also find the cases, and even IMU will also help you.
Okay, that is very nice. Also, would the students need to complete all their cases before they can take an examination, the final examination?
Yeah, so as I mentioned to you, this program is recognized by NQA. So this is one of the requirements that a student, whoever is enrolling, have to complete their cases, submit their portfolio, and once it is submitted, then only the student can sit for the final examination.
Okay. Will all the modules be conducted in the first year, or is there a carry through to the second year?
No, so all the modules, like all the 6 modules which I mentioned before, will be done in that first year. So all your teaching and learning activities will be done in that first year. The second year, if you're opting for extra 1 year or your part-time, that year you can complete your clinical cases or clinical case requirements. Yeah, I hope I have answered, Dr. Preena.
Yes, Dr. Shekhar, it was a very clear presentation. Thank you for that. Okay, thank you all for joining us today. Please log into www.imu.edu.my for any further queries. Thank you. Hope to see you soon at IMU. Take care.